Hello guys, I'm playing badminton ngayon. So, nag-recorder lang. So, this is my character. Higa sa Sigma. So, that's okay. We're gonna play in New York. I'm just kidding. The fee is $2. I know guys, I know. Entry fee is $400, so we're gonna get Tokyo Park. Watch me play. Oh, okay. Super Smash. He's good, bro. Okay. She win. She win. She win. I'm gonna serve. Oh my, she's cook, bro. I'm cook, girl. I'm cook. Wait. I'm gonna do my superpowers. So, she's powerful. So, my stamina goes. Push. Oh my god. He cheated! Oh my god. He cheated! I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. Okay, this way. Oh, cheat. So, only cheated. Gagamitin natin ngayon. He only cheated. Do another game. Oh my god, I just tried. He has it, bro. He has it. Oh my god, he has it. I just speak Filipino, bro. This is my first word in the world. Wow, you're too fast for me. It's not Messi. Oh, is that Ronaldo? It's Ronaldo right there. Ronaldo is playing my badminton game. We're both tied.
Sus, maligo na kahit maliligo ako, nakatapos na ako magtiplo at lahat eh.
Oh, I lost.
Hoy, maligo na. Pasa.
Halika na. Mabaho ka na.
Aba!